What is an arbitration agreement? Arbitration agreements are a form of alternative dispute resolution. It's a fancy word that just means your case is going to get settled outside of a courtroom. An arbitration agreement is where both parties agree in advance that a case or a dispute is going to be decided by an arbitrator. An arbitrator is either a retired judge or an experienced attorney who will decide the case. If both sides have agreed to arbitration, then the case will go to arbitration. There won't be a jury trial. So there's some pros and cons to signing an arbitration agreement or agreeing to arbitration. First of all, there's the cost. If a case goes to trial, the parties really don't have many costs and expenses. In an arbitration, the parties have to pay for the cost of the arbitrator, and that can be expensive. So that's an issue that both sides have to decide whether they want to incur those extra costs for arbitration. Some advantages of arbitration are it's much faster. Trials can often take 2 years up to 5 years, where in an arbitration, you can usually get your case resolved within a year. The other probabilities with an arbitration over a trial, or the problem with an arbitration over a trial, is if either side is dissatisfied with the result, there's no appeal right. You can't appeal an arbitration. Once the arbitrator decides the dispute, the case is done.